Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So of course the very first thing you want to do is get your Facebook open, and whatever page you're on, make sure you go onto your actual account. So go to your actual account name, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that you've got the what's on your mind there. So go ahead and click on that. Of course you can set the audience, so public, friends accept, specific friends, but we'll go ahead and just keep it at friends. So you can create this post using just a normal post or an image post or video post, however way you want it. So we'll go we'll do that. So hey, welcome to a ProfileTree video. So we'll go ahead and post that. So now once that's posted, you can see that this is the actual post now created. If you take a look at the three little dots on top, go ahead and click on that. Now you will not be able to see the comments yet, so what we want to do is go ahead and edit the audience and set it to public. Now it will only work for public and public only. So if I go ahead and click on this again, and if I refresh the page and select this, now I will get that option saying who can comment on your post. Now if you click on that, you have the option of public, friends and established followers, friends and profiles and pages you mentioned. Now if you don't want your friends to comment on your own posts either, you can go ahead and just select for profiles and pages you mentioned, and if you do click on that, as you can see, you're allowing profiles and pages that you mentioned to comment on this post. So neither friends or the public can comment on this particular post. But there you go guys, that is how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. As you can see, very easy and quick, simple tutorial. Now I do hope that you found the video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.